Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change text opacity in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, add a text. Okay, then see this text opacity or go to effect, blending options, opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.